Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by protecting your worlds. Copy the saves and resource packs folders to a safe location. Next, open the Minecraft launcher and go straight to installations. Toggle off snapshots so the launcher stops offering beta builds. Then pick or create a stable profile labeled 1.21 and set it to the official release build. This ensures you're not accidentally launching the beta. Once done, you'll have the launcher configured to prefer the non-beta release, and the first actionable step completed. You now remove the leftover beta version files so the game won't load them. Close the launcher completely, then open the Minecraft/versions folder and find any folders with names like 1.21 snapshot or other beta labels. Delete those folders to free the launcher from beta metadata. Make sure to inspect your mods and resource packs for beta-specific builds and remove or replace them with stable variants, because incompatible add-ons commonly cause crashes or missing textures once you return to the official 1.21 release. You finish by launching the stable 1.21 profile and creating a quick test world to confirm the beta is gone. If the game crashes or behaves oddly, first remove all mods and resource packs, then clear the launcher cache and sign out /sign back in. This often fixes version mismatches. If problems persist, restore your saves from the backups you made earlier, because corrupted or beta-tweaked worlds can be incompatible. One key troubleshooting tip: check error logs for missing mappings and revert any beta-only changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.